Welcome back. Let's begin with cricket. Stylish Barbadian batsman Shai Hope is in line to play his first test since the tour of England last year, after being named in the West Indies 13-man squad for the opening test against South Africa starting on Thursday in St. Lucia. Former under-19 player Jayden Seals could make his debut for the Caribbean side. However, two experienced players have missed out on selection for different reasons.
19-year-old Trinidadian fast bowler Jayden Seals is the only newcomer named in the West Indies 13-man squad selected for the first test against South Africa starting on Thursday at the Darren Simon Cricket Ground in St. Lucia. Seals, who represented the West Indies at the ICC Under-19 World Cup last year, has travelled with the Windies squad in their last three-test series and could make his debut in the opening test. Lead selector Roger Harper says although yet to make his regional first-class debut, Seals demonstrated in the recent best versus best match that he's ready for the international level.
Match was not named a first-class match, wasn't classified as a first-class match, but those matches were played by the best of our regional first-class players, and he performed exceedingly well. So I would like to think that if he can perform well in those games against those players, he has the potential to transfer that on to the test scene.
The 13-man squad also sees the return of the Barbadian pair of Shai Hope and Roston Chase, as well as experienced Antiguan opening batsman Kyron Powell. Powell's last test appearance was in Bangladesh in December 2018, while Hope last played test cricket in England in July last year. Harper says Hope, who has been consistent in white ball cricket, has shown he's ready for a return to international red ball cricket.
He played in the two-day game against Sri Lanka. He made 60-odd. He played in the best v best game here just prior. And, he made scores of 70-odd and a century, which indicated that, he's producing in red ball cricket. And so that on the back of his excellent performances in the ODI format led us to draft him back into the squad.
Meanwhile, fast bowler Shannon Gabriel is unavailable due to injury, while experienced batsman Darren Bravo was not selected. Vice-captain Jermaine Blackwood and Nkrumah Bonner are the Jamaicans in the squad. The rest of the squad reads Captain Craig Brathwaite, Rakeem Cornwall, Joshua Da Silva, Jason Holder, Alzari Joseph, Kyle Mayers, and Kemar Roach. The last time the West Indies played South Africa in a test series in the Caribbean was in 2010. The Windies have lost their last 7 test series against the visitors. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.